How do you stream movies on Discord? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch a browser and search for discord.com and sign into your account. Then click on user setting icon at bottom left. Then you will land on the section where you need to scroll down and search for the option of advanced on this left panel. From this section here you will get hardware acceleration. Simply, if you have toggled the button on, then you need to toggle the button off. Now, if you are using any browser, click on three dots. Scroll to the bottom and click on Settings button. And then you have to simply search for acceleration, and here you will get use graphics acceleration when available. Simply you need to toggle the button off here too. And you have to start streaming a movie by first of all you need to open a particular website where you are looking movies, and then go ahead and open Discord again, and let's skip this page. After that you need to simply click on your server and click on this voice channel general section, and here you need to allow to use microphones, and after that you need to click on share your screen, and here you need to select a tab to share, and then you can easily choose the screen or window like Netflix or any movie player where you are watching the movie. Select the video stream quality and click go live to start streaming, or simply you can click on share button as well, and you will successfully stream your movie through Discord. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.